Hello, my name is Hywel William and I'm Administrator for RTS Cymru Wales. RTS Cymru Wales, we're an educational charity, part of RTS, which has got centres across the UK. We were established originally back in the dawn of the age of television, actually, in the mid-20s, just really a few months after John Logie Baird did his first demonstration of television. We're celebrating in Wales 60 years as RTS Cymru Wales. We hold public events that people can turn up to, they're free of charge, and about some aspect of the television industry or television as a medium. And these days we have to frame that quite widely because it's not just broadcast, it can also be audiovisual content you find online, things like YouTube, Netflix and so on, so it's not just conventional broadcast TV. But we try and put on a wide range of events that we hope are of interest to the public and to the industry. Well, recently, for example, we held an event in Tramshed Cinema called How to Get Into Television, which understandably was very popular. And also, literally about 3 weeks ago, we had an audience with Russell T Davies held here at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama. Over 300 people attended that. It was very popular and very successful. We were able to present him with a fellowship award that night.